Hello, yan. Good afternoon, Julian Direct. Yan. Unahin ko si Julian. Julian, yan.
Hello po.
Ayan,
Good afternoon.
Yeah, ang bongga, Tisay ka talaga. No? Can you tell us, anong lahi meron ka?
Yeah, so I am half German, Italian, and Australian po.
Okay. So, half Italian, then,
German and
Ger-
Australian.
may Pilipino ba? Wala.
Yes po, meron din po Filipino. From my mom's side.
Okay. That's so nice. So, okay, Richard ang apelido mo. Actually,
Yes.
hindi ko tatanungin kung kamag-anak mo si Alden kasi hindi naman siya Richards talaga, no? Di ba? Pero ikaw talagang Richards.
Yes po.
So ikaw ang may karapatan sa Richards na apelido. Oo. Pero yan, pangarap mo bang ma-meet din si Alden?
Sorry, what was that po?
So you're not comfortable with Tagalog? Do you understand Tagalog or not?
Nakakaintindi naman
Okay.
po. Medyo
Yeah, okay.
Taglish lang.
Because
po.
I think I have to talk to you in English, and later you have to pay me a big talent fee because it's a big effort on my part. Okay? Anyways, yan. Do you know Alden Richards?
Yes po. I've heard of him nung when I got asked several times po kung kamag-anak ko po si Alden.
So, na-curious ka ba about Alden?
Yes po, na-curious.
So, ginugol mo ba siya? Chinek mo? Who's Alden Richards?
Opo, ginugol ko po. And then, until I found out na hindi naman po totoo na screen name naman po yun.
Yeah. So, nung nalaman mong hindi naman pala siya Richards, so, naisip mo na pwede kayong magkapareha o pinangarap mo ba, sana maging leading man ko siya, lalo na he's with Viva na rin, di ba?
He's with Viva na po
Yeah,
pala.
hindi, may ano siya, may collaboration, di ba? Ang GMA and Viva. Oh. Malay mo.
Leading man, pwede mo po kapatid din siguro po.
Okay. O, yung kapatid lang gusto mo. Oh.
Pero kahit ano po.
You remind me of Amanda Page when she was just starting. Ganyan din siya, the way she talks, you know. Yeah. Do you know Amanda Page?
I've heard of her po.
Okay. Oh, siya yung na-heard ko before. Yeah. Anyways, Julian, can you tell us more about yourself? Yeah, para mas makilala ka namin.
Yeah, for sure.
Paano ka napasok sa showbiz? Yan. Lalo na, ang bongga ng ano mo, yung ano mo, no, breeding mo, 4 na dugo meron ka. Yan.
Thank you po. Yeah, so before I signed with VMX po, I was actually still in Australia. And
You're based in Australia.
yes po, I was born and raised in Sydney, Australia. And so nagtatrabaho po ko in the hospitality field. Nagtatalent-talent din po ako doon. But before pandemic, nag-try na din po ako sa showbiz. Nagtatalent at nag-audition din po ako dito.
Really? But you look so young. How old are you?
I'm 22 po.
You're 22. So you really started young.
Yes po.
Yeah. Paano ka napasok sa showbiz?
May nag-discover po sa akin from, he's actually a writer din po, but he's unfortunately not here anymore. Si Tito Casey Guerrero.
Okay.
Yes
So
po.
this was before the pandemic, no?
Yes.
Kasi he died 2020, April. So,
Yes.
paano ka na-discover?
So I auditioned for Pinoy Big Brother. Ilang beses na po yun. And from Pinoy Big Brother, may lumapit po sa akin na scout manager from Star Magic. So pinapunta niya po ako ng Star Magic. And then from Star Magic, nakilala ko po si Tito Casey doon. And then he encouraged me na mag-Viva na lang po ako. So he introduced me to Boss Veronique.
That's so nice. Yan, oo. Okay, buti walang problema sa'yo na mag-BMX, magpa-sexy.
Nung una, I was of course very hesitant kasi I grew up in a very conservative family. So it was a very hard decision, but after reflecting with opportunity and like I've mentioned earlier po, from auditioning and nag-extra po noon, I looked at it as a very good opportunity. So, nag-oo na po ako after 1 week.
Okay. Oh, ang tagal ng 1 week, ha?
Pinag-isipan ko po talaga siya.
Ang bongga. At least after a week na pag-decide mo, you're gonna join BMX. Anyways, you said a while ago that you have beat roles. You did some project as talent. Can you tell us what projects?
Yes po. So, nag-extra po ko noon at Home Sweetie Home, Love You, tas mga Once Upon a Time.
So, now you're 22, so you're really super bata. That time.
Yes po, it's super
Yeah.
young.
What age?
I was mga 13.
Oh, really? And mukha ka ng dalaga. Kaya,
Opo.
malaking bulas. Kumbaga, oo. Yan. Bongga. Pero you're so beautiful and good luck with Pinay Kama Sutra. I think you're really fit to be a host also. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you, Direk.
Thank you so much po.
Yeah, thank you. Direk, kumusta si Julian Richards as a host? Na-meet niya ba expectation mo? The way she talks is, I think she's really good, okay?
Hello po, good afternoon po. Wala kami naging problema with Julian kasi although I think this is your first diba? Hosting a VMX show. So, masipag siya, tapos kung ano yung sinasabi namin na kailangan namin, na ibibigay naman niya. So, very professional.
Yan. Oh, but Julia, is this your first BMX project?
First hosting po.
Hosting, but you did a lot already.
Films po, yes po. So this is pretty much my 8th na po yata.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyways, good luck. And
Thank you.
we're gonna look forward for Pinay Kama Sutra 3. Thank you, Direk. Thank you, Julian.
Thank you.
Miss PB.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir June. Now, moving on to ABS-CBN, we have Miss Ana Cerezo.
Hi! Here. Julian, yung wala mong project, that's all with Viva Max.
Yes po.
Wow.
One of them is actually with the Cinec Manila Festival film po. So, Desperada po.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Can you share na lang din? You said you were hesitant before to join Viva Max. How has it changed yung how you see mga sexy stars working in this industry before you started and ngayong naka 8 films ka na?
Yes, thank you for the question po. Well, at first, I really shifted my mindset towards, kasi at first po, I told mom na, kasi yung mommy ko, she was very hesitant din po. So, after reflecting, I told her na kailangan ko po mag-sacrifice and in order to get my foot through the door, if that makes sense. So, and I'm actually so glad that I was brave enough to take this step kasi as I've gotten to work with VMX, it's honestly pure professionalism and nagpapasalamat din po talaga ako kasi nakakatulong din po sa skills, sa growth as an artist. So yeah, I'm really grateful for the opportunities.
You also did pageants, right?
Yes.
In Australia. Are you still thinking of doing pageants from now? Dami mo parang napanalo ng pageants din.
At the moment, no po. I took a break so I can focus on acting. However, later on, I'm not closing doors. Maybe down the road, if there's opportunities, I'll probably look into it.
If ever, like, meron ka ba, even before when you were competing for Australia, right?
Yes po.
Meron ka bang like goal pageant before na if ever babalik ka sa pageant, ito yung gusto mong pasukan at ipanalo?
Yes, Miss. Yung pagpa-pageantry po kasi, it's my mom's dream for me. So, she's always encouraged me to do
That's sweet.
Miss Universe.
Universe.
Opo.
Baka ang swerte mo sa Miss Universe Philippines. And then, for last few questions na lang. First school, are you planning on, graduate ka na ba? You took hospitality, tama ba?
I did take a short course, hospitality management. I do plan on continuing on with my studies later on. Actually, I was meant to enroll, naka-enroll na po dapat ako for vet nursing.
Nursing.
Yes po.
Ang Pinoy.
Mahilig po kasi ako sa mga vets. So, yeah.
Okay, and then last na lang, you mentioned ayaw mo maging kapatid na lang, gusto mo kapatid lang si Alden Richards. Sino gusto mo maging leading man?
Hi,
Sa kapatid lang.
Uy, wala pa akong maisip. I'm open naman to anyone.
see.
Yes po.
Okay.
Pero if I were to choose one, siguro, reason being is because yung mommy ko, kaibigan niya po yung tita niya, tsaka taga Batangas din po siya. So, si Joshua Garcia.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
All right, thank you, Miss Anna. I know we're all getting to know more about Julian with all the questions. Maraming salamat. Now, moving on to the Daily Tribune, Jeff Fernando.
Hello po. Hi. Ayun. This is your first hosting, tama?
Yes po.
So, dahil marami ka ng naging assignment sa acting, itong first hosting mo, paano mo pinaghandaan? And may naging peg ka ba sa pag-host?
Ano po, actually kasi nung binigay po sa akin to, it was super last minute. So parang, I wasn't too sure what to expect sa project kasi wala, parang hindi po ako familiar. So, although naman nung bata po ako, naging interest ko po na maging host
Host,
event like in the future. So, parang nakatulong din siguro po yung pagpa-pageant ko noon.
Okay. Okay. Nabanggit mo na rin yung pagpa-pageant mo noon. Ano yung mga pageants na nasalihan mo, tsaka yung mga wins mo, tsaka yung mga placements mo?
Yeah. So I started very young po. So it was just a local pageant in Australia, Miss Tourism Philippines Australia,
Okay.
pinanunan ko, and Miss Australasia po.
Okay, dito sa Philippines ba, pumasok din sa isip mo na gusto mo rin siyang pasukin?
Ng pageantry po.
Yes, oo.
As of now,
Sa ngayon, wala?
No po.
Oo. Talagang kumbaga parang tapos ka na doon.
Yes po.
Okay.
Pero like I've mentioned earlier po, maybe down the road in the future, I'm not
Okay.
closing doors naman po.
Okay, salamat.
Thank you so much po.
Okay, ang last question for Direk. Hello, Direk Carlo.
Hello po, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. This is already Pinay Kama Sutra 3. Ituloy niyo na lang po ba yung treatment ng 1 and 2 or this is something different?
Dito kasi sumayaw si ano eh. So, hindi namin ginawa last time yun eh. So, meron naman kami ditong mga ginawa na I can say na mas matapang yung execution kaysa dun sa 2. So, para sa akin, bago siya talaga.
Okay, hindi naman po naging problema yun kay Julian.
Hindi. Ako nga, nung dinidirect ko siya, napapasayaw din ako. Galing niya kasi
Okay.
sumayaw.
Okay.
Nadadala ako sa sayaw na yun.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Direk Carlo.
Thank you po.
Thank you and good luck po.
All right, thank you so much. And now let's listen to Irvin Santiago from Bandera.
Yes, hello. Julian here. Hanapin mo ako. Hello, Julian. I'm
Just
here.
behind Sir Jeff earlier.
Yeah.
Hi po.
Wala na sa... how's your experience, Julian, doing Pinay Kama Sutra 3? And how intense and daring yung mga ginawa mo dito?
I would say I was much more more bolder here, like compared to all the VMX films that I've done. However, I had such a fun experience, especially because sobrang bait po ni Derek. He was very patient, and the whole production actually as well. Like they gave me, parang I felt safe. It was a very safe environment for me to work with them.
So, Julian, doing Pinay Kama Sutra 3, ano yung mga natutunan mo when it comes to sex and relationship, I guess?
Yes, well, I would say it helped me feel more comfortable with talking about the topic kasi, like I mentioned earlier po, I'm really, like, I grew up in a very conservative family, so hindi po talaga ako sanay, especially not comfortable talking about the topics.
Okay, thank you, Julian. Kay Direk Carlo naman. Direk, sabi mo kanina medyo matapang. Can you describe or can you give some insights on gaano ka-wild ang Pinay Kama Sutra 3 compared dun sa 1 and 2?
Para sa akin, mas sexy siya. Yung sa execution, tapos, iba kasi si Julian, so parang, dito kasi sumayaw siya, na-mention ko kanina, hindi namin nagawa yun, tapos medyo hinabaan namin yung sequence na yun kasi galing talaga niya sumayaw. Tapos may eksena pa rito na umakyat siya sa table, kita niya yata yun sa trailer.
Yes.
So, basta masasabi ko lang, mas sexy to and mas wild.
May mga pinagawa ka ba sa kanya direct na medyo nagdalawang isip siyang gawin or hindi niya ginawa?
Wala. Lahat ng sinabi namin, ginawa niya and more pa nga eh. So, yung in-expect namin na ibibigay niya, lumampas pa siya doon. So, happy talaga kami yung production. Happy, Viva is happy.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Alright, puro words of praise. Direct to Julian. Congratulations. Okay, moving on to batch 2. Alan Sancon, Naz Tabares, and Kiko Escuadro. For now, let's hear from Stars Photog, Alan Sancon.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations. Hanapin mo rin ako. Okay.
Hello po! Ayan, hello po!
So, kay Julian, yan, nabibighani kami sa boses mo, napaka-lambing, di ba? Napaka-sweet, di ba? Kumbaga talagang kapag may nakinig sa'yo na manonood, talaga may enganyong panoorin ka because of that. Pero, sabi ni Derek, ang galing mo daw sumayaw, di ba? Saan ka natuto and are you a dancer also?
Thank you so much for that. First of all po, yeah, I would say naging passion ko din po sumayaw. Bata pa lang po ko, I would move and groove, you know, and I think yung dahil sa sex bomb po, like, dun po talaga ako nag-start na sumayaw sa paggiling-giling, bata pa lang po ako. And eventually, as I grew older, I took dance classes, and yeah.
Saka rin pala sa pinalaki ng sex bomb. Maraming sabi nila. Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yung second question ko sa'yo, Julian, kumbaga, ano yung mas challenging on your part? Mag-host ng ganitong klaseng parang movie or parang sumali sa pageant, parang gano'n?
Ooh, that's a very good question. I think they both have its own, you know, challenges. But I honestly thought na hindi ko po ma-execute yung pag-hosting ko dito. But because I had so much fun, I would say dito po than pageantry for now.
Pero we see that you're a good host because of your voice nga, di ba? Congratulations.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
po.
Yung last question ko for Derek. Derek, aside from dancing, ano yung nakita niyong potential kay Julian being a host and being an actress?
Magaling siyang mag-memorize ng script. So, yun, madali siyang makatrabaho kasi nga, very natural sa kanya yung yung pag-host. And I think mas excited ako makita si Julia na umarte talaga on a narrative project. Kasi nandun lahat ng challenges nandun lahat ng emotions. So, yun. Pero dito, binigay naman niya yung best niya. So, I think this will be the best Kama Sutra sa lahat ng ginawang Kama Sutra.
Thank you, Direk. Thank you, Julian.
Thank you
Thank you,
po.
baby.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, this will be the best Pinay Kama Sutra. All right, tagaan natin sa bato. Okay, next po, from Pelikula Mania, Naz Tabares.
Hello, Julian, anong reaction mo dun sa Best Pinay Kama Sutra 3?
Wow. Well, medyo naging speechless po ako to. Thank you so much, Direk. It honestly means a lot to me. Like I said earlier po, I didn't expect na kinaya ko po. So,
Pero nabanggit mo kanina na parang medyo last minute yung pagkuha sa'yo. No? So, mas na-enjoy mo ba yung hosting or yung acting?
hilig ko po kasi talaga yung acting. So, with hosting naman, kasi actually I still have self-doubt sa sarili when it comes to hosting. Although naman na-enjoy ko naman po siya. Pero I'm willing to learn naman for the future. So,
Kay Direk naman po. Tama po na yung format is yung may mga sexy from VMX movies, tapos yung describe po anong positions.
Yes. Yes po.
Paano po papasok yung hosting ni Julian dito? Gagawa rin po ba siya ng yung mga positions dun sa...
Not necessarily kung ano yung position, pero very entertaining kasi yung yung pasok niya. Tapos dagdagan pa ng boses niya, narinig niyo naman kung paano siya magsalita. So madadala ka talaga pag nanonood ka. So may kasamang lambing, may kasamang sensuality, and mas naiintindihan mo yung mas nai-excite kang pag-usapan yung position na yun pag nanggagaling sa kanya yung words. Yun po.
Kayo po ba yung namili ng mga scenes na for yung mga
No,
positions?
that was the writers po.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Ngayon, ang magtatanong from Radar PH, we have Kiko Escuadro.
Hello po. Hi. Ay, first question kay Direk po. Hi, Direk.
Hello po, good afternoon po.
Direk, yung 1 and 2, ikaw po ba rin yung nag-direct?
Ako po yung nag-direct ng 2 with Tasca po.
Opo. Mahirap po ba kasi syempre iba yung treatment doon tapos iba rin ngayon. Ano yung masasabi mong difference niya with the hosting and yung atake ng each host?
I can only speak for the second one. Kasi yung second one, medyo in comparison to this, tamed siya. So, medyo controlled yung namin nun yung kung ano yung pwede namin gawin. Unlike here talaga, parang no holds barred So parang mas free kaming gawin yung gusto namin gawin. Mas na-express ng host yung dapat niyang ipakita, dapat niyang i-express kaysa dun sa una na ginawa ko. Kaya masasabi ko talaga mas matapang to. And mas tinapangan namin kasi free na kaming gawin kung ano yung gusto namin gawin.
So pag nagkaroon po ng Kama Sutra 4, mas matapang pa dito sa...
Dapat. Dapat ganun
Oo.
Lalo na yung 2, ako yung gumawa. Dapat mas maganda yung susunod. Dapat paganda ng paganda ng paganda. Ganun po.
Okay, thank you. Hi.
Thank you po.
Hi, Julian.
hello po.
Julian, question ko is, aware ka ba doon sa hierarchy ng BMX stars? Since pang-8 movie mo na to, kasi merong BMX Queen, BMX Crushy, yung mga ganun. Aware ka doon?
Yes po.
Oo, pero pressure ba yun on your part? Kasi syempre, isa ka sa BMX stars.
I actually never really looked or thought it that way po. I think kasi I'm just also enjoying the journey and willing to grow as an artist.
Pero hindi ka ba nape-pressure doon sa mga ganong title?
Hindi naman po.
Na-mention mo din kanina na you came from a conservative family. Siyempre, sa Australia, iba yung culture. Hindi ba naging challenge yun? Kasi siyempre, mixed culture yung kinalakihan mo tapos ngayon nandito ka na sa BMX.
Yes po,
How was it?
actually.
Paano?
Um, I think because I'm always thinking of my family first of all, like it's always at the back of my mind. And also siguro din pag umuwi din po ako ng Australia, nung una I was very parang kabado just because but people kasi syempre I've done pageantry in Australia, so parang I was afraid. Pero when I went back to Australia, hindi naman pala, but overthink ko naman po siya. Like they were very, very supportive and they were really happy for me. So,
Si na-mention mo na nag-pageant ka. Naging idol mo ba si Catriona Gray since Australian din siya?
yes po, during the time.
Okay, hindi mo naisipan na sundan pa yung path niya?
No po, pero my mom wanted that for me po.
Oh, okay. Last na lang. Na-mention mo rin kanina na dito sa Kama Sutra 3 is sumayaw ka. Anong klaseng sayo yung ginawa mo?
Hala, parang sobrang sexy po talaga. It's the sexiness that I've ever danced before. Like, sobrang wild po. So that's why I would say this, you'd see a whole new, like, bold and wild version of me.
Pero sumasayaw ka talaga before?
Yes po.
Anong klaseng sayaw? Jazz?
Jazz, hip-hop.
Oh, okay. Paano ka natuto?
So nung bata pa po ako, like I've, sa mga TV lang po actually, like for example, like Sex Bomb, like, ginagaya ko lang po sila. Hanggang sa nagtitake na po ako ng dance class. And then, kinakuha po akong as backup dancer sa Australia pag dumadating mga, for example, si OG Alcacid, Inigo Pascual, ganun po.
So, na-meet mo sila?
Yes po.
Oh.
Naging backup dancer po ako kanila.
Okay, may phone-in request dito. Kung pwede kang mag-sample ng favorite dance move mo.
Actually, kanina pa sabi ko kung pwedeng sumayaw ako.
Pwede naman. Malaki yung floor.
Hala.
Music daw.
Do you want music?
Sure po.
Okay. DJ.
Direct sama po kayo.
Huwag na kami sisigaw.
Any kind of music po. Yeah.
Sorry po. Hindi pala ako sanay sa naka-dress na sumasayaw.
Yeah, okay kinakabahan ako sa Chugma girl. Do you sing also? Kasi nakakahela yung boses mo. Do you sing?
Konti lang po.
Sample. Ano to? Julian's Got Talent. Okay.
Direct po muna.
Alright, sige. Maybe a little later. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. No more questions
you,
from
po.
Sir Kiko? Good. Alright. Sige, let's move on to our final batch today that will ask Pinoy Kama Sutra. We have Ray Pumaloy, John Bueno, and Joe Mark Jomin. Ngayon, from Abante Liling, we have Ray Pumaloy.
Hi, Julian.
Hello po.
Alam mo, kanina ka pa pinupuri ni Alan Sancon because of your voice. Parang tinatablan yata siya. Bading siya, pero parang may impact. So, kanina nagsasayaw ka, parang napapasayaw din si Alan. Charat-charat. Teka mo na, Julian. What do you, Teka, tatagalogin ko na lang. Ano yung idea mo ng Kama Sutra? Nagbasa-basa ka ba? Or ano yung yun nga, yung idea mo sa Kama Sutra.
Idea. Like I've mentioned earlier po, nung binigay po sa akin ng sobrang last minute po, binigay po sa akin the day before we shot it. So, I was very curious, no, hindi po talaga ako familiar. So, may halong kaba. But all I knew that it was a special interest. So, and I actually didn't know na mag-host din po pala ako. But I...
Nagbasa-basa ka ba about Kama Sutra?
Yes po. So, nung
Nakita mo yung mga pictures.
No po, I just searched up yung meaning Kama Sutra. So it's more of like pleasure. So yung pa, parang nagkaroon na po ako ng idea na.
So hindi mo nakita yung mga iba-ibang positions?
No.
Hindi. Okay. Pero yung mga positions dito ay ng Kama Sutra ay in-execute naman dito. Almost all the positions.
Hindi naman
Hindi.
po. I didn't necessarily demonstrate the positions myself. We had, we revealed the videos, like clips from old and new VMX films.
So compilation to ng mga pelikulang ginawa na. Tama ba ako?
Yes po, tama.
Okay. Meron ka bang idea kung anong pagkakaiba ng Pinay Kama Sutra sa ibang mga Kama Sutra like sa India, o nag-research ka ba kung meron ba talagang Pinoy or Pinay Kama Sutra?
Nung nag-research po ako, I saw that it was also from India, pero I didn't really get the chance to really look into it.
Julian, ang dami mo ng pelikulang nagawa, so pang-walo na ito, no? Actually, pelikula din siya pero ikaw yung nag-host. Nung first time na na-interview kita, sabi mo gano'n, may mga limitations ka pa, ngayon na-expose ka na ng bonggang-bongga sa mga iba't ibang roles. Do you still keep that limitations with you?
Actually, no, not anymore po. I think only because, gusto ko din, kung ano pong gusto ng direct for the movie, at kung yun po ang makakaganda ng movie, gagawin ko po.
Pinag-isipan mo rin ba ng todo?
Noong una, yes po.
Pero ngayon, yung pagtatanggal mo na ng limitation, pinag-isipan mo rin ba?
Ngayon po, I still have just a few limitations compared to nung nagsimula po ako. Sobrang dami po talaga akong limitations.
Ano yung limitations mo before na tinanggal mo na sa limitations mo ngayon?
Yes po. Actually, yung time na yun, I only said na hanggang side breast lang po ako magpapakita. Tas yun lang po. Pero now, it's everything except for frontal, of course, and wag lang hahawak sa harap.
Okay. So yun lang pala. How far would you go for a movie, for a role?
How far po?
Pagdating sa mga love scenes, mga ganon. Kasi like si Jen Rosa, nag-ano na siya, nag-frontal na siya, pero hindi naman nakita. So hindi lang siya naglagay ng plaster dun sa isang movie niya, na napakaganda ng movie actually.
I'm willing naman po to go how far I need to go. Kung depending on what the director of the movie wants and needs for the movie. So,
Ano reaction ni Mami? Mami Lynn?
si Mami po. Si Mami po, kasama niya po ako sa mga datings actually. Pero hindi lang po siya nanonood ng mga movies ko or pag may love scene na po. So, kabado pa rin po siya hanggang yun, but she's a lot more open-minded to it now.
Julian, congratulations.
Thank
Very
you
proud
po.
sa iyong mami mo.
Thank you so
Keep it
much
up.
po.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman pakinggan natin John Bueno from kumagkao.com.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Maybe kay direct po muna. Good afternoon po. I'm quite a fan of comes to trust in general, this is also something that's supposed to be educational in some way.
Yes.
And you're catering it to the Filipina market. So, how educational are we talking about when it comes to this particular series? And can you tell us anong matututunan specifically ng mga Filipinas when they watch this film?
But basically po, you have to be, lalo na yung mga couple po, you have to be good in bed with your lover, with your partner. So dito, mas may enhance yung wala tayong alam, di ba? Mas may enhance yung relationship natin nila, di ba? Pag hinaluan natin ng gantong klaseng kaalaman sa sensuality. So, isa yon. Tapos well, yung ginawa kasi namin for a Filipino setting, mas sexy siya kaysa sa parang nanonood ka na ng documentary. So, mas titillating siya, mas enjoy siya panoorin. So, particularly talaga para to sa mga VMX fans, ginawa. So, ganun siya, klaseng.
So, not necessarily just for Filipinas in general?
No.
But both?
Pero kasi, syempre, we are thinking about kung ano yung general na audience ng VMX. So we did that. We did this for them.
Okay.
Sa taste nila.
Alright, thank you so much, Derek.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Julian, this is the first time that I'm seeing you. You look so pleasant. You actually look more of like like a mainstream girly pop artist than someone who's actually from VMX. But with this in your career plans, where do you see yourself in like the near future? What do you want to do as an artist?
Thank you so much for that. That's a very flattering compliment po. Well, as of now po, because I'm enjoying the process, the journey as I grow in the industry, I definitely, dahil pinangarap ko din po kasi talagang mag-artista pa lang po ako. So, I definitely want to go as far as I can go if it from God's will po, God's plan for me. But as of now po talaga, I really want to grow in the industry. And yeah.
As an actress. Okay. Well, going to that particular path, may mga other projects ka ba na naiisip para sa sarili mo? Because, of course, this is sexy. This is also a bit educational with the hosting part that you're doing. But what do you plan to do as an actress?
Actress
Yeah.
po. Well, one of the goals is to hopefully makapagtawid na din mainstream. So that's definitely one of the goals. In terms with projects po, I've always dreamt of parang endorsements na nakikita ko pa yung sulit ko sa billboard. So, hoping one day po.
That will happen.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best kasi ang ganda-ganda ng face mo.
Oh, thank you.
And congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Okay, thank you so much. Ngayon naman, meron lang tayong additional questions coming from June Nardo.
Hello, Julian. May nagsabi na ba na kamukha mo si AC Concepcion or Lobby po? Ano feeling mo? Yan na ba?
Si Miss Lovey po, I've actually never gotten that before. That's the first time. With Casey Concepcion, yes po, I have. I've also gotten Christine Hermosa at Ann Curtis.
Dami May taga-Australia rin,
So, bata pa tsaka inspire din po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Alright, maraming salamat. Of course, I was June Nardo from Marites University. Okay, bringing up the rear, ang huling magtatanong is Jomark Jomen from World of Drums.
Hi, good afternoon. So yan, for Direk, since this one is your second dito sa, ano na to, what you call this, series na, no? Or marami episodes, di ba? How did you prepare for this one and para level up siya to the, do sa part 2? Okay, Direk, sorry. Yeah, Direk.
Paano ako nag-prepare?
Oo, para level up siya dun sa part 2.
Kasi ako rin yung DOP nito, so unang-una, I made sure na in terms of technicals, mas maganda siya kaysa doon sa una. And we have to consider yung yung condition nung nag-shoot kami kasi bagyo nung time na yun eh. So meron kaming mga challenges na kinaharap nung time na yun kasi meron kaming mga eksena dapat na sa labas namin i-shoot. Tapos hindi namin na-shoot dahil sa ulan. So, yun, we have to adapt kung ano yung Kaya naging mas challenging to actually kaysa dun sa unang ginawa ko. And in terms of preparations naman, pagdating sa sa kanya naman, I just told her kung ano yung mga kailangan namin, kung ano yung kailangan na emotions, if ever man na meron dun sa bawat what do you call it? Sequence na sinushoot namin kasi paiba-iba eh. Pati yung suot niya paiba-iba. So, kailangan babagay talaga kung ano yung suot niya, kung ano yung tema, kung ano yung position na positions actually na fini-feature dun sa per segments na yan. So, yun. And third, yung challenge na kailangan mas better to dun sa unang ginawa ko. So, I made sure na every time na sinushoot namin yung mga sequences, there's a sense of upgrade, sa lahat ng aspeto. Yun po, ganun siya.
Ayan, thanks, Direk.
Thank you po.
Yeah, so for Julia naman, so was there a moment during the shoot that you found unexpectedly fun or rewarding?
Are you going to repeat that for me?
Yeah, was there a moment in the shoot that you found unexpectedly fun or rewarding?
Unexpectedly. I would say, para sa akin po, every moment. Kasi, like I've mentioned earlier po, sila Direk and the whole production, they were really easy to work with, and they really did make me feel, comfortable. And so, because of such, and that's what made the whole shoot fun. So, yun po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
All right, and that concludes our first Q&A for today. A big round of applause, please, to Julian and to Direk Carlo. Okay, so before we let you go today, please send an invite out.